Digital currency Bitcoin is expected to cross $10,000 in value in the coming days, and One America's Christian Rose has warned the digital revolution in global finance.
Bitcoin is the first decentralized digital currency free of central bank surveillance and government regulation. It is championed by both tech enthusiasts and finance industry professionals as the future of the global payment system.
Bitcoin is built on an amazing technology. There's a limited supply of it. People are trusting it. Remember, this whole revolution came out of a breakdown in trust. You know, it came out of the 2008 financial crisis, where people say, hey, we no longer trust financial institutions. We don't trust governments.
Bitcoin was introduced back in 2009 as software available for anyone to download and generate the digital currency. Unlike traditional banking, Bitcoin features no intermediaries in its transactions. Bitcoin payments are automatically verified over the internet and are recorded in a publicly available yet encrypted ledger called blockchain, which features a greater degree of transparency than traditional banking. Bitcoin is generated in a process called mining, which requires large amounts of high-productivity computer hardware. Computer processors calculate math problems based on the old and more recent transactions and combine them into new blocks of data, adding them to the ledger, thus creating new bitcoins.
Banks will no longer be a necessary middleman. And that's, more than anything, why I believe that this is the future of finance.
In the years immediately following its inception in 2009, Bitcoin had limited use and was criticized as facilitating cybercrime and dark web activity. However, the cryptocurrency eventually broke into mainstream when financial institutions, governments and investors turned to Bitcoin as a convenient tool to streamline the ever-growing number of financial transactions. Bitcoin drew the attention of government agencies amid the recent surge of cyber attacks, as hackers often demand ransom be paid in the cryptocurrency. The Chinese government nearly banned Bitcoin, sending its value lower, but decided to impose regulations instead. Global financial institutions, such as investment bank Goldman Sachs and CME Group, announced they are considering adding Bitcoin to their trading and mold possible introduction of Bitcoin on the stock market. After Bitcoin hit $9,000, Korea's second-largest bank Shinhan announced it's testing a crypto wallet for customers, meaning Bitcoin might soon become a universal medium of exchange.
Over 100 hedge funds created in the last year that are interested in trading digital currency, and we have hundreds more reaching out to us, looking from traditional hedge funds, sovereign wealth funds, family offices. Seems like everybody is interested in digital currency these days.
Some experts point out Bitcoin could be a bubble as it is exposed to political risks and boom-bust cycles. Others insist the cryptocurrency could continue its rise up to $1 million per coin. Christian Rose, One American News.